buong pamilya, walang masasalamat. Mrs. Serlina Paco, Mr. Daniel and Mrs. Conchita Lee, Engineer Roberto Leon, Professor Science Fertilizer Trading, Engineer Javier Leon, Mr. Demetrio Jr. and Mrs. Marjorie Duvani, Mr. Elim and Mrs. Christy Teapta, Mr. Eduardo and Mrs. Edith Rivera, Engineer Andy De Leon, Mr. Roberto and Mrs. Telma Villaseñor. Masasalamat pa rin po na binibili mga evangelista at Mr. Rino at Mrs. Marcelisa Pulanan. Masasalamat pa rin po na binibili kay Mr. Heron, Mr. Jeremiah and Mrs. Marilyn De Leon, Mr. Mark Hill and Mrs. Regina Heron, Mrs. Celestina Heron, Engineer Allen and Mrs. Heidi Castillo, Engineer Rodel and Mrs. Maria Belinda Castillo, Mr. Sanito and Mrs. Yolanda Aquino, Binibining Pinagna Heron, Mr. Armando and Mrs. Saibel Villaseñor, Mr. Miguel and Mrs. Leonina Pompo, Mr. Jimmy and Mrs. Maria Emma Moran, Mr. Jerry and Mrs. Marcel Guzman, Mr. Adolfo and Mrs. Jacinta Clemente, Mr. Jerry and Mrs. Regina Leonardo, Mr. Olivia Sampat, Mr. Lucreto and Mrs. Celia Ojo, Mr. Rocky and Mrs. Leia Maris Castillo, Mrs. Marcelita Cruz. Masasalamat pa rin po kay Mr. Rodolfo sa Laysay, Mrs. Jim Cao, Mrs. Mayla Gamboa, Mrs. Mary Rose Luis, Mrs. Esperanza Cao, Mrs. Edelmira Clemente, Mrs. Annalyn Santiago, Mr. Alan Villaseñor, Mrs. Amelia Villaseñor, Mrs. Evergrace Domingo, Mrs. Mother Jane Canuco, Mrs. Marilyn Saparuda, Mrs. Brengelita Nemo, Mrs. Cristina Sampan, Mrs. Carmina Espiritu, Mr. Edwin Reyes, Mr. Roberto De Leon, Mr. Rodel De Leon, Mr. Rolando Santiago, Mrs. Melita Juliano, Mr. Joey Santo, Mrs. Daisy Santiago, Mr. Wilson Santiago, Mrs. Madeline De Leon, Mrs. Esperanza Bernabé, Mr. Ryan Julio, Mrs. Juanita Cabral, Mr. Marco Luzan Gutierrez, Mrs. Gemma Chico, Mr. Jordan Cabral, Maria Luisa Marcio, Evangeline Luzan